Hey, I'm Jocelyn. I'm going to teach you how to install the Snowpulse removable airbag system. This is the little airbag. It zips together like a little pouch, and now we're going to install it into the bag. Cool, so we're ready to go. The backpack has been opened. The first step is to flip the top of the pack open to expose where the hooks of the removable airbag system are going to go. The next step is to open the airbag system like so. The red and white zippers get open. And I'm going to expose all the hooks that are then going to be placed here in the top of the backpack. So this is where the cylinder gets attached. You can see that along the looker's left is where the cylinder is going to lie. So you want that cylinder attachment to lie on the left. You have your big hook lying down. Then you're going to thread the handle in through the side where it goes. Handle is threaded. So you have the airbag lying flat. You're going to attach the 4 hooks. You want to go from the bottom up. The 4 hooks have been attached. The next step is to zip the airbag in. So where we folded it open, we're going to fold that top part back. And now you're going to attach the red zipper to the red zipper. You're going to find the zipper has a bit of Velcro on the bottom. That's the zipper that attaches to the airbag. Then at the end, that piece of Velcro is going to attach to the Velcro there to keep it in place. The last little bit here is to take this clip up and over and attach it to the red connector at the top. Then, very last step, flip the airbag over. And we're going to complete the handle. So open up that left shoulder strap all the way, take the handle down, clip it in, and then zip it back up. Good, your removable airbag system has been installed. The next step is to install the cylinder.